There is more than enough power and performance out of the M12 Fuel Hatchet to get whatever job we need done. It can get into all these little tight spots. There's no way you would be able to get any other saw in there.
You can fit in most places you can with a normal saw. It's lightweight and sleek design.
Half the weight of any other saw that I've used and at probably half the size or less.
You're able to get into tight spots with it when you're talking about the health of the plant and doing a correct pruning cut.
They're able to have that right next to them, and they can take down a 3-inch branch without a problem.
I was really impressed with the cutting capacity of the tool. The performance stays consistent from start to finish.
The runtime on the M12 Fuel Hatchet, well over 100 cuts I can make with a single charge.
I easily get over 100 cuts on a single battery, going from a 2x4 to a branch.
Storm damage, small branches, pruning of fruit trees.
This has virtually eliminated the need for hand pruning, which increases productivity throughout the day.
It allows me to work longer days and finish out my week without being tired.
I would recommend the M12 Fuel Hatchet because of the maneuverability, the compact design for storage. I'm able to cut up to 3-inch branches, and the battery runtime is just outstanding.